We're here to show you how to properly inflate and deflate a Tuffy polywoven airbag. Before you inflate the bag, always check the valve to be sure it's in the closed position. To be sure the valve is closed, simply press down on the valve spring. Notice the valve opens and closes as you press down on it. The valve is closed when the valve stem is flush with the top rim of the valve. Now the bag is ready to use. Inflate the bag using AB Airbag's all-metal PA1M inflator. It has a pressure-calibrated flapper on the backside to make overinflation impossible. The sound of the air going into the bag will change when the bag reaches its optimal working pressure. When the bag has a good lock on the cargo, the laminate outer shell of the polywoven airbag actually has a coefficient of friction with the stretch wrap on your cargo, locking the bag in and sealing it for a secure load. Snap the valve cover onto the valve. To deflate the bag, push down on the valve spring, turning the valve stem 1/4 turn clockwise to the right to hold the valve open in a locked position, and the bag will begin to self-deflate. Once the bag has partially deflated, you can pull it away from your cargo and store it for reuse later. The bag will continue to deflate on its own. There's no need to manually hold the valve open to completely deflate the bag. When reusing the Tuffy airbag, turn the valve stem 1/4 turn counterclockwise to the left to bring the valve back to its closed position, and it's ready for reuse. Here's a few tips for best use of your Tuffy airbag. We recommend not folding the airbag in a void. Make sure the airbag is evenly distributed with your load, without touching the ground and without protruding above your load. Only use one airbag in each approximate 12 to 18-inch gap to secure your load. Be sure your airbag is equally distributed with your load. We suggest placing airbags in voids up to 18 inches. A larger gap results in overinflation and the bag will not properly secure your load. Do not place airbags over splintered wood. Keep airbags off trailer floors. Finally, if placing the airbag around sharp edges, place a piece of cardboard between the sharp edges and the airbag to create a puncture shield.